This is the flag of Uzbekistan, and it tells the story of history, nature, and hope. The blue represents the sky and water, and also pays tribute to Timur's Turkic heritage. The white stands for peace, purity, and a clean path forward for the nation. The green symbolizes nature, fertility, and new life. The two red lines represent the power of life and the strength of the people to grow and survive. The crescent moon shows Uzbekistan as an independent Islamic nation proud of its faith. The 12 stars symbolize the 12 regions of the country, and also perfection, spirituality, and historical heritage. The flag was adopted in 1991, right after independence from the Soviet Union. Today it is a powerful symbol of renewal, identity, and pride,